Hello, I am now with my friend Cookie. Cookie, I fed him when he was a baby with a chick, but now he's angry, keep biting. And he's a father now, and his chick, his name is Fufu. So what makes me? I'm the grandpa of them. I'm your grandpa. Can I have a kiss? If Cookie is in the mood, he'll sing, but looks like he's not in the mood today. Right, Cookie? What happened to you today? Come on, sing. Come on, sing, Cookie, Cookie. Cookie, Cookie. Let's kiss them. Mm. Love Cookie. Love you, Cookie, Cookie. Love you, Cookie. Are you going to buy it today? Hmm? Are you? Cookie will buy it today? No. You're a good boy, right? Cookie, good boy? Yes, you are. Cookie, good boy. Love you, Cookie, Cookie, Cookie. Cookie, Cookie, Cookie. Yum, 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 yum. Where are you going? Come on, sing. Come on. Go for it. You're not in the mood today? No? No singing? Come on, Cookie, Cookie. Cookie, Cookie, Cookie. Come on, sing, Cookie. Cookie, Cookie, Cookie. Cookie, Cookie. Love you, love you. Cookie, Cookie, Cookie. Tum, ta, tum, ta, tum. Cookie, Cookie, Cookie. Tum, ta, tum, ta, tum. Love you, Cookie. Mm, mm, mm. Love you, Cookie. Mwah, 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 mwah. Maybe he doesn't want to sing today. In a way, later on, if he sing, we'll take a video. All right. Bye bye for now.